Hey guys, it's Moji from MCzero Studios. Today, we're gonna make a new ability, and this is going to be not just a showcase, but I'm gonna walk you through on what goes into creating an ability and how hard is it. I got an idea, so rename, and then I guess something like this, Void Cacoon. I think it's very good. So basically what this will be, we have an ability called a dark flare. Yeah, it just places these dark flames and you just become invulnerable. Yeah, so I want something like that. Instead of attacking, it to cocoon yourself and like heal you like this. We're gonna trust the window. Let's start. So we're gonna first do what we do with every ability. I'm not gonna explain this right now. We're gonna create an options and we need a spell function, which is going to be function, and then our function is going to be void. It's gonna have a p as player, then cell as text, and then mode as text. Wait, no, cell as number. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you this part that where I got this from, but we're gonna use text, and time span is 3 seconds. And then entity is going to be our player. Again, these are placeholders. We're gonna insert the player. So when you are making a function, make sure that you are not using a temporary variable that's the same name as one of your arguments, because then it will be like very fucked up. All right, so we stun the player for 3 seconds. Then we're gonna go loop 3 times. Loop 3 times again. Loop 3 times, and then draw one of squid ink at. We're gonna go player's head, and then wait 0.5 seconds. And then actually we're gonna loop it like 6 times, and then it's going to be a consistent. We're gonna see if it works or not. And we're gonna also draw one of squid ink at player's location. So this player's location is gonna be like where the feet are, and then this player's head is going to be where player's head is. Particles are gonna be spawned here where my head is, and then the second is gonna be where my legs. We might go like in the middle as well, so it's like all throughout the body, but maybe not. And then we just have to wait 0.5 seconds, and then we're gonna loop 3 times. And we need to heal the player by heal player by, let's go 10 hearts. That's 30 heals. All right, we're gonna go heal, and then I'm also not gonna explain this part, but and then I think that's all, because we don't have like a range or anything. All right, we're gonna stun the player, then draw these, and then heal, and then wait 1 second. Like that. It might be done actually. I guess we can test it now. All right, so I go void. All right, so it says an error. Can't understand to draw one. Location. I fucked up location. All right, so we have Void Cocoon. We don't have an ability yet. I guess we can show you that one. The way we do this is we store the abilities in a YML file. All right, so these are the abilities that we use. We store them in these little sections, as you can see. We're gonna create a new one called Void Cacoon. Then we need a display. We're gonna set that later. Then we need an ability. Then we also need a spell function. Then we need lore. Lore is very important. We're gonna go usage. And then this is gonna be a spell, so I just have to use spell use. These are pre-made variables that we're inserting here. You're not gonna be able to use these. I prefer typing out your own if you are gonna use it. Then effect. And then we need 2 lines at minimum. We're gonna go places yours. I'm gonna go place yours in a cocoon made of void particles and heal 30 hearts over 3 seconds. And then you need a stats cooldown. And we're gonna go, this is also configured later down, stats cd. And then we need heal. And then we can create our stats. Oh, it's not stats, it's stats. Just stats. Then we're gonna do cd. Let's go 30 seconds. Heal. Hold on a second. Where the fuck did these switch places? Alright, heal is 30 hearts. And then we have a duration, which is we're not gonna include. It's already here. Alright, then we just save this. We don't have to do anything with it. Alright, let's go and test it. We're gonna reload our abilities script. And then go ability add and oh yeah. Yay. And the ability is the same thing. Spell function is going to be with, and then we're done here. We can save this, then reload it again. And now, if we type /ability add, should see Void Cacoon, here it is. It has everything. Let's see if it works. So we're gonna go spells, place this, and okay. Squiddings don't look like I wanted them to. Yeah, this is fixed. There we go. Let's check it. Okay, I get it now. We have to merge these this 6 times. Remove this. And we're not gonna wait, we're gonna wait 0.2 and like double it again for like 12. How about this? Oh yeah, that's so you guys see how it. Alright, so this is a fun fact for you guys. If you place it to your left, you can activate it from way further away, so you don't have to look at the block. So you can see it spawns at our legs. So we're just gonna at location 1 blocks above player's location. And this should make it be at exactly our feet. Oh, that's too much. Let's do half a block. Yeah, that's way better. Now it looks like we are basically submerged. How about we do it again? But now, this is gonna be at 1 blocks. We could do it to the offset vector, but random. We do this for all of them. All right, that should work. All right, it does work. Let's yeah, it looks way better, but it's too much. So instead of 0.5, we're gonna go 0.3. So it isn't as offset. Yeah, that looks way better. Although I want it even more too. So like 0.2. Yeah, like that. 0.1 and 0.2. Yeah, that looks a lot better. All right, let's check if it heals. So we're gonna go into creative and then fall from few blocks. Okay. Just heal it, I guess. Heal player by 30 hearts. Actually, we can insert our heal. And then, as it's stunned, we're gonna do spell cooldown. And then we need, I think, player. Then cell. Then mode. And then the duration, which is gonna be at CD. Parsed as time. This should be our finished script. So we're gonna... Alright, let's have a good look. Yeah, that is insanely good looking. Let's see if it heals. I'm gonna off on a few blocks here. You can see my hearts down here, and it does the healing. Alright, so at my recording it says it took like 40 minutes to code this very simple one with debugging as well. So now it works. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I will be back with more of these videos because I'm not that good at making like videos that Zero is doing. I am better at these coding types. We're gonna have a lot of content before the server is going to be enabled public use. It is going to be very soon though that the server is going to release. You guys should join our Discord server in the meantime, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.